you can get them right here. Cool.
Those are cool. I love those ones.
Well, that's what I was going to do, is send them to her, but my phone won't charge fast enough. Oh, you can see some of them off in the back. Look at that, it look like my hair when it disappears. Look at that, looks like your hair when it disappears.
I like that sound. That sound is cool.
How it backfires and shoots?
No.
It sounds like that old phone I had. It's always sizzling like that. Boom! I didn't think it was going to get the whole firework ridge sitting here, but it is. Yeah! That one was pretty big, wasn't it?
You couldn't really see it. It wasn't bright enough.
Look at back there. Get that one back there, too.
Someone's setting them off.
Oh! Missed the whole one there, Amber. There was one here.
That one was cool.
Yeah, they don't do that stuff anymore. I don't know why. They had like a 100 in West Allis. Yeah. And they had flags and stuff. Just keep doing it. Change it up. Yeah, because West Allis is such a cool town. Like their little signs they have, slow down. Right? What do you do? If your town's any different than anything else?
I like those ones that they set off that go back and forth like a machine gun, kind of.
Yeah, I like the groundworks.
Those ones are cool. They come out white and blue.
Yeah, I like the booms. Kaboom, kaboom.
I like the ones where you can feel it in.
Yeah. Oh, that looked like a heart.
It did.
I wonder who made that. Nobody said nothing about new stuff. Woo! Colorful. The colors, dude. Look at that one go. Look at it go. Yeah. Doesn't look like there's a time on there.
Yeah, there is. It's right there in that corner.
Yeah, and I had a phone that showed you a little line when it was going to end.
That dinky little one.
Tick, 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 tick. Ah! You always miss me.
I got it.
Look at, there goes them ones, Amber. That's cool.
I like the ones that make the noise with it.
Yeah! Those are cool. I like them.
And I'm getting them guys in the background too.
Woo! A couple of random woos and a couple of plants. You can get that one right in the background there.
I am. I'm getting a bunch of them in the background.
Yeah! Bless you. Woo! That reminds me of Liz. He does that. Oh, wow.
Did you hear that awkward little noise when that firework went? It was like, shoo.
Oh, wow.
It's like a vibration or something.
Only when she gets mad at me. Yeah, because people don't know nothing about how a relationship should work. They think when you get in a relationship, become a family, that you can still live the single life.
What the heck do they think over, man?
When you get into a relationship, you lose. Hey, now some more lights came on. You lose friends, you lose family, you lose a lot of your own life. Like you start a new life. Woo! Bada bing, bada boom. It looks sensitive.
That is so cool. I'm getting them in the background too, and you can see it really good. The ones in the background.
It'll come up clear when you put it on a thing too.
It should.
It'll like clear itself up or something. I don't know how it does that, but it does. Look how slow this plane is going.
I wonder what fireworks look like when you're in a plane. Like if you can even see them.
Hey, what happened to it?
What?
Oh, it turned. Look at his smiley face upside down or something. What was that? You're missing one way back there. Oh,
I'm not worried about
a little
those.
bit.
I'm just trying to follow our fireworks.
Look at them back there. Look at them back there.
It's funny.
Oh.
Pop up.
Uh-huh.
That one sounded loud when it let off.
Ooh,
That is
yeah,
cool.
that almost looked like a cross or something. That one was neato, dude.
Get your laser out of here. Dude in that green laser.
Was that a laser? I thought it was a flyer.
Nope. Someone's got a green laser and they're shining it everywhere.
Oh!
People say that Disneyland has some really good
Yeah, it's
fireworks.
supposed to be the best. We were gonna watch it. The dude kept wanting to leave every time something good was gonna happen.
I love that
You might want
sound.
to turn it sideways to get the whole thing, the up and the bottom.
I am getting it. I'm getting the bottom and I'm getting the top when they shoot some off.
I mean, turn the phone long ways, and you don't have to chase after them.
Yeah, I do have it that way.
No, this way, like this.
Oh.
Then you don't have to chase them up and down. You get the sky and the ground. Did you see them random little one that went up and hit the ground?
Uh-huh.
See how long all them suckers go? Somebody's really blasting them off in the background. You hear that?
I think it's them right up behind the senior citizen home.
See all them lights on the ground right over there?
That is cool.
All them random look like candles in the ground or something over here.
Yeah, I think those
you
are
can
houses.
really hear them over there.
I like the ones at the water products. They got them. They look like.
Oh, the water frolics. We should go down there. What day is that?
I have no
The
idea.
6th, ain't it?
I don't know.
Yeah, they got some good fireworks.
You got to figure out a way to come up with some money. I think it's time.
Boom.
Get some gas. Go down there and make a picnic for the day. I like how they do that thing around the beach.
Yeah.
Oh, I love
Yeah, it looks
that.
like fireballs and
Yeah.
stuff.
Boom, 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 boom. I ain't been down there in 20 years.
They'll show a movie before they do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they always show the Goonies.
And then when they showed Yogi Bear.
Yeah. Why do they show something like that when that's a Halloween movie? gotta make it so next year we have money to go and doing stuff. Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah. Woo! See, now those I would be setting off like 10 of them at a time. There it goes, up in here.
You probably gotta be running to do that.
Bam.
I just light up a thing that'll go and hit them all at once.
Yeah.
You know, one right after another. A big long wire thing that light, you know, like they have a dynamite. Just fuse them all together, so you don't have to keep running back and forth. And make a couple of rolls like this.
That's a good exercise, though.
It really looks like they only have 2 people down here. There used to be like 20 of them down here. And how the hell do you see where that light on the dark one?
Light looks like the everlasting light.
They have 2 little street lights that you should shut off or they're free. Woo! Ready. Uh-oh, there we go.
Dude, there goes him.
There you go. Yeah! That's cool. I
You're
like
like
that.
the one person that stood out.
I like that. That's cool. Woo-hoo! Kaboom! 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 Boom! 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 Hey, that guy over there didn't go off yet. Oh! Oh! I like the.
That was just a flash and a boom.
I like the booms. The booms are cool. The boom, the boom. Here we go, here we go. Bam! Oh, that looked like a kiss. It looked like a kissy lip. It sure did. Looked like it went mwah. Yeah, everybody's doing them though, but I haven't seen a kiss one. Or a star, or a cross. They got a cross and a kiss here.
They probably go to that phantom fireworks, especially like the biggest fireworks down.
But the guy over there had a U and a heart.
Remember that
There we
one?
go, there we go.
Remember that one Uncle Danny had? He set it off in the street and cars were riding over it.
Texted me, I said, you can text me, but I ain't gonna answer.
Yeah.
That's so dinky.
Look at that dinky little stuff. Woo! That's like something you buy in the store for your own house. That'd have been funny if somebody standing there and they bonked them on the head. Nah, that would have been funny as hell. Oh, that is. I know there was parts I was seeing. My eyes ain't that bad. That was pretty cool. How did they get them to do that? Make shape. Yeah. That's some weird science building science guy stuff. Yeah. That's why science is good to me. Look at the things you can do doing that stuff.
Yeah, some people say he's dead.
Mm-hmm.
And that comet that went over Russia and exploded, got him on the phone.
Yeah, a lot of countries call
They
Bill.
did?
Yeah, a lot of people call him when they don't know about something that's weird. So you don't got your own scientist?
Dude, that's our scientist,
Yeah.
man. That's our weird science guy. Get your own.
They got to call America for everything.
They do. We know a lot more stuff than they do.
Because they don't want to open their mind. But they do know some things that America don't know. They do like medicine. They're way ahead of us on medicine.
What guns knowing us? Catching up.
All right, I think they're getting ready for the big finale. What, a half a stupid? Oh, that's cool. It looks like an idiot.
This country's half a stupid.
Half a fag. Woo! Yeah!
Man's supposed to have the best drawing, the best cartoons.
Oh, yeah!
They know how. It's supposed to. They know how to draw better than that.
Woo! I don't know, there's nothing like the old Bugs Bunny and Roadrunner cartoons and Tasmanian Devil, Captain Caveman, Scooby-Doo.
The lake is lighting it up down there. Look at him.
It must be Summerfest.
All their drawings, man. We were the ones
I
that
didn't hear any of them till today.
We were the ones that came up with the drawings before you guys showed your stuff on our TV.
Their drawings and sound and look like demons. They're really banging down there today. It's cool down there because they got that bridge. If you stand underneath it, everything echoes really cool. And when the booms go off, it hits you in the chest real hard. I was walking along as a kid. We were under that bridge and it hit me like that. And I was, oh, that was cool. What was it? Woo! Look at sparkles. Sparkly things.
This is when I was at the frolics, man. When the things when I was around the beach, they hit my chest. I'm like, what the heck was that?
I like to get so close to that.
Uh-huh. You really feel the heat when they do it.
I think I'd be really good in the war. Bombs with like it.
Be like, do it again.
Yeah. Do it again. Throw another one at me.
Blow up my leg. Oh well, who cares? That was fun.
I'll just put some dirt on there.
I'll just put a stick in there. shove a log up in there and burn it to my skin.
Get you a shovel, man.
Yeah.
Stick a shovel in there and be like, there's my new leg.
Woo, look at that. It looks like an S or something, didn't it?
Yeah.
A sparkly S. Wow, that was cool. Woohoo! Yeah, yeah. Yeah. That was cool. Woo.
Look at all them people sitting on that grass over there. You can see their sparkly stuff.
Look at them two spots right there. It looks like a bunch of candles lit or something.
It does.
Woo-wee! Gino was all buzzed up. Happy 4th! Woo! That's a long set right there. They should play some music, some jamming music when they're going like that. Throw on a jamming song to go with it. Yeah! Woo! Hey, hey! one random little boom.
It didn't even have a big bang. It was just like. Ding. It didn't even have a noise.
They look like smiley faces, the ones.
It's like a premature.
Yeah. He ejaculated prematurely.
I love how those little flash ones have the biggest bang.
Yeah, look at that one.
See?
It's because it's an M80.
There goes one of them sparkly sounding ones.
Sparkly, yeah.
People used to toss them in a freaking toilet.
Glittery. Sparkly. That looked like a planet blowing up. You seen Star Wars? That planet blew up, looked just like this. Yep. Oh! Did you guys see it? You sound how that went off? Woo! Yeah! That was awesome.
No, there is one though, Brad, that they set off that goes back and forth like this, and it sounds like a machine gun.
Yeah. It goes faster like that one that was going off, the 5 that kept going off. Yeah. But it goes faster.
And it just goes back and forth.
That looked like a spaceship. They got some different kind this year. It's cool. Oh, that was cool. I like that coloring. Look at that one, barely made it off the ground.
I know, you seen that?
It was just one little line.
I got it too. It was like a little moon shape.
Yeah. Like a force field or something.
Like, nope, we don't want to get that far. Right here is the end.
It's been going longer than 20 minutes. Whoa, look at the fireflies take off. You see how they were going to take off quick? It looked like a spaceship getting ready to run from an airplane. Hey, all them guys shut down already. They usually don't do that. Like everybody's shut down. Now it's this side over here. Like that one. I think that's the one you're talking about.
Mm-mm.
No?
It's loud and it goes really fast.
Oh, yeah!
It's got that kind of a noise, but it goes back and forth real fast.
I like the boom. Oh, yeah. See all these people in the lead, man. It's wall to wall, too.
Like the last one to leave, I'm like, oh, there's the 2 guys go. See people stepped up.
There was a star. Did you see it?
Yeah.
It was a star.
I seen something go off that light over there, way back there.
It was a red star with a blue circle around it.
Turn it up this way.
Yeah, but then I can't get the ones they shoot off randomly.
Who cares about them as long